What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make money online anywhere and anytime. If that sounds interesting to you, well, stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make money online anywhere and anytime. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now I'm gonna get right into this because I have a couple of websites I need to show you and I don't want to make this video too long. So we're gonna jump right into this. So please watch this video to the very end so you know all the websites you can start using today to make money online anywhere and anytime. Also, I have a special bonus. So please watch this video to the very end to find out the special bonus that I'm gonna tell you guys about. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money online anywhere and anytime. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Rapid Workers. And on this website, as you can see, scroll down here, at Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, and workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. So what they do is have companies. They come on here and they assign people to do tasks for their certain websites and whatnot. So it says here for the employers ask people to blog about their product, post reviews to websites and blogs, add you to Facebook, become a fan of your group, follow you on Twitter, and dig your website, and much more. All right, let's see here. So it says here, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals, small business, and professionals to create a low-cost publicity and marketing campaign to increase sales, better ratings, backlinks, and much more. So that's what they do, and these are the jobs right here. So this is what you're going to be a worker. So it says right here, browser. So it says right here, workers sign up and browser micro jobs. Select jobs you like, finish tasks and submit proof, earn money, and much more. And here are some of the tasks you're going to be doing. Like right here it says YouTube, vote for this video, follow me on Twitter, insurance form sign up, create a Gmail account for me, upload 5 photos to this site. So it's very simple things. I know right here it says 10 cents, 12 cents. Here's $1.50. But if you do all these, you see it don't take but a minute or two. If you add all these minutes up, it's probably what? Maybe 15 minutes. And you can do all this and you probably earn a good $10 or so real quick in about 15 minutes. So this is paid out through PayPal, and you got to have at least $8 to go ahead and withdraw that money out So if you're interested in this website, go to rapidworkers.com. Now let's go to another website. All right, I'm on the next website and it's called ClickWorker. This is similar to Rapid Workers. So it says here, ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works. You can sign up as a ClickWorker free of charge. You work independently. Your schedule is flexible and all you need is a computer and or mobile device with the internet connection. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. So you sign up right there, and they have the app right here. You can download that on Google Play or Apple. And here's some of the type of jobs: creation of text, copy editing, proofreading, web research, surveys, mystery photographers, app testing, and audio and video jobs. So they got many different jobs you can do. And it's just like the other website, just like Rapid Workers. It won't take that long to complete. So this is how it works. Sign up as a ClickWorker, fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, good results, and ensure many jobs, process for jobs online, get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. So this website is a pretty good website to also use to make some quick money and do simple little tasks. And they pay out weekly and monthly through SEPA or PayPal. So if you're interested in this site and want to make some quick money and doing small little simple tasks, go to clickworker.com. Now you know the websites you can go to right now that will allow you to make money online anywhere and anytime. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start doing those little tasks, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. But wait a minute, let me tell you about this first. If you go down in the description below, where it says free giveaways, those giveaways are for you guys to have right now. So, but you gotta be subscribed to this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Go down in the description below, click on that link where it says free giveaways. They're gonna take you to a website and you're gonna get 3 free gifts. Also, I have some other cool stuff down there too you can check out. Go check out the other stuff in the description below. Now, let me go ahead and tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, sir, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down in this video and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now, I'm currently at 429, so I'm almost getting there. I got a little ways to go, but I'm almost there. It's moving. So if you're new, please subscribe right now and leave that comment down below, because what I'm gonna do is randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. And the second person, I'm gonna reward them $10 cash via PayPal. So make sure you subscribe right now if you're new and leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, hit that like button. If I see 25 views, I want to see 25 likes, because the more likes I get, if I get 25 or more likes, the better that my video will be seen by more people on YouTube. So hit that like button. Let's get to 25 or more likes. Also, leave that comment down below. If I see 25 views, I want to see 25 comments, because also if I have a lot of comments on this video, that also does help pushing this video out on YouTube, because the more views I get, the more potential subscribers I get, and I can give out this money, because we will get to 500 subscribers real quick with more views. So go ahead and leave that comment down below. And please share this on social media and internet everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm done with this video. Thanks again for you guys' support. I really thank you for checking out every video I drop every day. I know I've been haven't been dropping videos every day, had some things to do, but I'm gonna be back on track. So I'm gonna be dropping videos every day. So keep supporting, and I'm gonna keep dropping these videos because I want all you guys to become your own boss. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is Grind TV.